I'm hearing the pot over here. It's boiling as we speak. That pot is kind of moving around. So we're well on our way to the nice, healthy vegetable soup. Now, why couldn't you just buy regular soup at the store and have a vegetable soup?
Number one, it won't be as spicy because it won't have jalapenos.
Well, it'll have a lot of salt in it too, huh?
That, and who knows what else they put in there.
But you are, eventually you said you're going to put salt in it, right?
I'm going to taste it first. If it doesn't need it, I won't.
Okay.
And then your mom has this really nice spice I'm dying to put in my soup. It's a garlic blend. And ever since you introduced me to this, I can't stop eating it.
What is it?
Salt-free salt or seasoning. Garlic and herb.
Garlic and herb, parsley patch, McCormick, salt-free. You could put this on all kinds of stuff, and you're gonna put a couple shakes of that in the soup, right? Okay.
I've been putting that on pretty much everything. This I have in the past just cut them up. You could do that as well.
Cut it up or pull it apart, whichever you'd prefer, right?
Yeah, some of this I've pretty much already done that when I peeled it off the stalk.
Okay.
So, it's pretty much done. If I don't use kale, I'll use Napa cabbage instead.
Napa?
Napa. A favorite of mine is baby bok choy.
Okay.
I've used that as well.
So all kinds of greens you can use.
I put at least one leafy green in my soup.
Okay.
I can put a lot of vegetables, but I have to have some type of leafy green. Any type of cabbage will do it. I put Swiss chard here before, and it was just as good. Kale seems to be one of my favorites, though. It's done. It's going to go at the very, very end. In fact, I'm going to shut it off and throw this.
Okay, so at the very end, after it's been cooked, you're going to throw that in there.
Yes.
And just let the pot simmer.
So this is leftover for juicing. You want to make your kale juice?
I've heard of putting kale in like a smoothie before.
It wouldn't be a smoothie. What I'm thinking of is
But
watermelon and kale.
Like in a juicer.
So it's not thick like a smoothie.
Yeah.
It's a natural juice.
Okay.
That's my broccoli. That's going to go sometime with that.
You're going to use all that?
I am.
All that cauliflower?
I am.
Oh, you said that was broccoli. Cauliflower.
No.
Cauliflower?
Is it broccoli?
That's-
No, I said I did buy broccoli.
Oh,
this
okay.
time.
So you're going to use all that cauliflower in there.
I am.
Okay.
Only because I like it that much.
What else are you going to put in here?
Cilantro. Which is in here.
I saw some red bell peppers in there. Are you going to use those too?
No, that's for a taco salad.
Oh, okay. You got lots more stuff up here for a salad for later on, not for the soup.
Yeah. This is your mom's cilantro. She won't mind me taking.
No. So do you like put cilantro in all your soups?
I do, because it's my favorite herb. But again, it depends who I make it for. Some people don't care for cilantro. You either love it or hate it. Oh, I love the smell. Now this one has really thick stalks, which I normally put in the soup anyway,
Uh-huh.
but not this big. I'm not going to use something.
That's too big, huh?
It's way too big.
So you
I
just
think it's just this one.
rip that stuff off, huh?
But I'll use some of this, of the stalk of the cilantro.
Okay.
This one didn't make it. Yeah, this is way too big.
So I guess there's a few do's and don'ts to making your soup, but
I've been making mine for years the same way, but I'm always willing to try something new.
Mm-hmm.
Like quinoa was new to me at one time, so I gave it a shot and I loved it.
Yeah. But if you put those stalks in there, the stalk doesn't taste very good?
Oh, it's
Or-
very flavorful.
Well, how come you're deciding not to put the stalk? Just because...
Yeah, it's too much. Because I'm going to put a lot of cilantro anyway,
Yeah.
so I don't need all.
So the cilantro is more for the flavoring. Because that's going to kind of shrink down to nothing too, huh?
It will, yeah. So this is a lot of cilantro. Most people don't put this much, but I don't make it.
So this is kind of like the Mexican style
Yes. This one will be. One day I'll make
vegetable
an
soup.
Asian one. With the Asian one, I put Asian vegetables in there, Asian spices. When I make the Italian, I do something different. So all this is going to go in there, and I'm going to put it at the same time as the kale. You have to bunch this in order to cut it.
Oh, bunch it together. Oh, that's the trick, huh?
Watch your fingers.
Hey, you should have a cooking show or something. Looks like you do that pretty good.
Is VideoJoe going to record it? Or do I have to do it?
Well, I could help you with your own channel. How about that?
Ooh. Let's do it.
Ha!
So that's pretty much it. And I'm just going to wait for the jalapenos to soften up and do my special trick to it.
Okay, so the jalapenos have been in there for 8-9 minutes now. And you said you're going to leave it in there for about 20 minutes?
Yeah, I'm going to check it to see if it's done.
Okay.
You want to take a peek?
Yeah. Let's take a look at this soup so far. See what you're thinking.
Ooh, that's looking good. I'm going to trim the vent because sometimes
Okay.
the smell
Okay.
of the jalapeno will get to your. But I'm going to say it's almost there. It's kind of looking like they're softer, but I'm not ready to pull them out yet.
Not ready just yet. That's the secret ingredients to your soup each time is those jalapenos.
I've made soup without the jalapenos and it wasn't the same at all. It missed that kick. It missed that bite.
Okay.
So that's looking good.
All right, so 10 minutes or so, we're going to come back and take a look at these jalapenos, yes?
Yes. And actually what I want to do right after I take out the jalapenos is put, I think I put some other stuff already. I have the little bag of rice and lentils.
Oh, that's right.
I'm going to add that to it.
Yeah, so when do you put that in?
See, I could put it in now, but I don't want to because I want to scoop up the jalapenos and I don't want to scoop this out.
Uh-huh.
Granted, it won't be a lot that I'll be taking out, but I'd rather wait.
So how long does that take to cook?
As long as it takes for the rest of the...
Okay, so you're going to throw that in when you throw all this stuff in here, the medium vegetables,
The medium.
the medium hard
sauce.
vegetables.
Well, that's what I call them.
Okay,
So,
all right.
refrigerator.
Well, thanks for showing me how to make this soup. I'm going to get back to you and you're going to finish up, right?
Yes.
Okay, because I want to know how you do those
Come
jalapenos.
back in 20 minutes.
Okay,
And I'll clean this up.
see you then. Adios. Hey,
It's a mango.
what do you have there?
Mango.
A mango. I figure I might as well show this too while your soup is boiling. The first part. Might as well, huh?
Might as well.
Because I thought it was interesting what you said you were going to do to this mango.
I'm going to Mexicanize it.
Mexicanize it. You're going to spice it up, huh?
Slightly. That is not good.
Yeah, yuck. What happened there?
It's a little soft. Okay. Mango.
Tricky. Now, how can you cut all those little slits in there?
So when you eat it, you can eat a portion at a time.
Oh, you just eat it right out of the skin.
Yes.
You don't trim it off, because I've seen some people will actually peel it. and then cut it in little strips.
Yeah, and you could, but it's not necessary. I would do that for a child maybe, but not for us.
Okay.
Okay, so that's a mango. This is a Mexican mango.
What the heck are you putting on it?
Tajín.
What is it called?
Tajín?
Tajín.
No, tajín. It's a seasoning.
Here, just hold it there. Let me see it. Turn it around so I can see the name. Tajín.
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 I thought it
Okay.
was tajín. With lime.
T-A-J-I-N. With
That's the
lime.
brand.
Okay.
But basically what's in here is chili pepper, salt, lime juice, hydrated. And that's pretty much it.
Ugh. I'm not sure if I'm going to want any of that.
Come on, Joe, give it a try.
All right.
Here, I'll cut it
Now,
in.
how are you going to fix the rest of the mango? Let's see you fix the rest of the mango. Because there's only so many bits of skin on there. I want to see how you do that. Okay, so you got it in little strips. You got it cut.
I would do the other side the same way. Boy, who chose this mango?
Hey, I didn't choose that mango. You said you wanted that mango. Remember? I had a different one. You said you wanted a softer one.
Yeah, I should have gone with the one you had. It's falling apart. It's so ripe.
Okay. You put that on there.
I'm not this water and just looking at it. You can eat napkins for this.
Okay. Now, how do you fix that last bit? Because there's not much skin on it. So how are you going to fix that?
Normally, I just peel around it.
You peel around it and then just put that whole piece on there? Yeah,
Really ripe.
it's got some brown stuff on there. Is it okay to eat that?
Yeah,
Huh?
it's not gonna kill you. See, even that I would not waste.
Okay, you can still eat some of that off the skin, huh? Ugh.
It's really good. Would you give it a try?
I'm not sure.
Try a little piece.
No, I don't know. All right, so that's all you're gonna do to that mango, huh?
I do the same with the watermelon, pineapple, oranges is classic.
What do you mean? You do the same thing. You put that powder stuff on the watermelon after you cut it, and orange slices.
Orange slices, pineapple. I wouldn't do it on anything like grapes. It'd be too hard.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do it on bananas,
Okay.
but anything else goes.
Oh, all right. So if you like it hot, and just you want to spice things up a bit, use some of this stuff here.
Tajín.
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 That stuff right there. Is there any other stuff kind of like that? Any kind of regular chili powder then, huh?
You can make your own. I've done it with cayenne pepper, but that's really hot. A little cayenne pepper, a little salt maybe.
Okay, so is this stuff here like medium hot?
No, this is super mild.
Super mild. Okay. Okay. Looks like you're liking it. That's a different way to eat a mango.
You could peel it,
Okay.
but like I said, I would do that for a child, but not for us. Here. Listen.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Give it a
No,
try.
it looks quite tasty though.
It really is.
No.
You don't want it? Come on. It's really good.
Okay. All right, there you have it, folks. A mango
Mexican.
with some bite, Mexican style.
Yummy.